How to delete a video on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can delete a video on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete a video on TikTok, all you have to do is simply first of all, go ahead and then basically launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you just need to head to the profile page from the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the profile page, over here, I want you to simply select the video that you want to delete. Once you select the video that you want to delete, just tap the three dots option from the bottom right of the screen. Then scroll all the way to the right hand side until you get to this section known as delete option. So tap on the delete button and then just select this delete button that you can find over here. This way you can delete a video on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. And if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.